back in Connecticut painting for the homeless, video 2. Hey people, this is Stuart Smith from STUARTIZM Designs. We're back at the site, day 2 of painting for the homeless. We're gonna throw down some 3D. Got a lot to do, and 4 more days to do it. So thanks for coming on board. Please subscribe. If you're unfamiliar with the channel, I paint monsters for a living, travel all over the world. I'd like to take you with me, so enjoy the vids. Trying to eat and video at the same time. Enjoy the transitions. Got some time lapse going on, and we'll also throw some other videos in the description below. If you'd like to support the channel, there's also a PayPal link in the description below if you'd like to make a one-time non-commitment type gift. Really appreciate you guys coming on board. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. And of course, to sit there and make my life so much easier, got me a big old flat tire getting here today. I'm supposed to be painting monsters, doggone, and I'm fixing the car. I don't want to be sleeping here at night, and we're 1,000 miles from home. So Jeff the dude went to get me a new tire because he is all that. Boo-ah, Jeff, boo-ah. Back to painting. I apologize, people. The lights that they ordered did not come in on time, so I am working with a 100-watt LED that is on the ground, so it's casting some shadows while I paint. So just FYI on that one. Okay, we are back at the hotel. I'm going to be able to go in a little earlier tomorrow to throw down some more painting for the homeless. And Jeff, thank you so much for helping with the tire. Oh my goodness. I didn't know what I was going to do. I'm not like a car guy, you know what I mean? Hey people, like and subscribe. Please hit that bell. And there'll be more videos in the description below. PayPal link as well if you'd like to support the channel. Really appreciate you watching, coming on board on the adventure. And hey, we'll see you on video number 3 tomorrow. Take care.